Softly on the air they flow, murmurings of joy and woe, from highland shores to Scattery, their humble search for sanctuary, a timeless symphony. No border lines they see, and above on wings of grace, swift birds of passage gather pace, as they rise, as they delight, bright birds of passage wing their flight. Mountain blast, the desert heat, sacrifice on oceans deep, pilgrim souls they can't defeat, breaking through the heat and fear, eyes awake to new frontiers. On and on through grief and pain, brave birds of passage fly again, and as they light on golden strand, blessed birds of passage reach our land. Cages built to keep them bound, plaintive cries the only sound. Hold to your humanity, rise as one in dignity, and up above on wings of grace, swift birds of passage gather pace, as they rise, as they delight, bright birds of passage wing their flight, and above on wings of grace, swift birds of passage gather pace, as they rise, as they delight, bright birds of passage wing their